and welcome to the first episode of the creation of my home studio. Let's do it! Last month, me and my fiancée, we moved into a new flat and we got a spare bedroom, so I thought, I'm gonna create my own studio. So this is the room where I am now. It's a bit dirty and messy. So the first thing what I'm gonna do today is painting the walls. So you can join me, follow me, subscribe. And it's gonna be a series, so I'm planning a couple more episodes where I'm gonna design the walls and create my own studio from scratch. So the room looks like this now. I put the GoPro there for making a time lapse. It looks a bit messy now. I got a paint over there, ready to do some work. Okay, I got rid of the mess. I don't really know what to do with these wires. First I'm gonna clean the walls. This light has to go. Now I clean the walls, but I don't really know what to do with these wires. So these are the wires, I don't know. Should I take them up? Where is this coming from? There we go, that's the cable there. There we go. Yeah. Now I need a hoover to clean this mess up before I start painting. Okay, everything is cleaned. I'm gonna put some cover on the carpet and I'm ready to do some paint. Everything is ready. I put some masking tape over there. It's gonna be my first attempt at painting a room. Let's do it. I've done the half of the room. I'm already covered by paint. I'm so already exhausted. At this point, the only thing I can think about is I'm gonna pay someone to finish this for me, but I won't. I'm low on paint, so what I'm gonna do is finish this first round, and I need some more paint for the second round. This part of the window was very difficult, and this wallpaper is definitely not for beginners because it's 3D. Right, it's time to finish it. What? Can you see that? First I thought it's a shadow of this lamp, but it's not. It feels a bit wet. I hope it's not a broken pipe in the wall. What should I do? Am I gonna finish the paint and not ask the neighbor tomorrow? That's the best what I can do. Okay, day number 2. I got some more paint and the first one is dry already, but this one is still there. So I'm just gonna ask the neighbor, what's that? Hey! What's this? I'm gonna try to put another layer on, another coat, and I hope it's gonna help. Or we'll see. Good luck to me. The second round is a lot easier, a lot faster, that's for sure. Okay, I've done the half of the room again, and at this point, the only thing where I can think about it, how could be a thing like painting a room is that old-fashioned in the 21st century? Or maybe I'm just too lazy, but we're almost there, keep watching, keep painting, subscribe. Finally, I'm done. I'm finished. Woohoo! There's a bit of echo. I'm still curious about the wall there because I hope it won't need another layer. I don't want to do it. But making this video helped me through this whole process. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If anybody moves into this flat in the next couple of years, they might gonna ask, who did this terrible paint job? I did it. I was the person and I'm actually proud of myself. So subscribe for the next episode and stay tuned for more upcoming Optimal Review. Goodbye. Day number 3. Finished with the paint and it should be dry by now. Guys, I did a pretty good job. I'm so proud of myself. So now I'm gonna just take up the masking tapes, clean up the mess. And I'm going to order a shelving unit in the background and see you guys in the next episode. See ya!